In my first video, I showed you how to use um, Dollar Tree flexible tie from the garden center to use as nose piece, and how that worked. And it worked really well for the the masks I've been making. Again, I was using the Beth Dara. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. I found those really easy to make. I am not a seamstress. But that seemed to be really easy for me to sew, and she did a great job explaining how to make those, and I found her really easy to follow, and I've always dreaded sewing, so thank you, Beth, for making that very easy to follow. Anyway, I had originally made these with elastic to go over the ears through the sides, and when I ran out of elastic, I tried a bunch of different things. I had tried some ponytail holders, and they weren't really long enough, so I kind of doubled them up, and that worked okay when you wore a ponytail and you could loop it over your ponytail, things like that. So what I ended up finding is this t-shirt material and pushing that through, and then using a pony bead to make it adjustable, which I really struggled with because I was making these for friends and I wasn't really sure where to tie that off, or I left it to them, and some of them weren't very creative or crafty, and we're still kind of struggling with, like, well, what do I do and how do I do it? And so I found the pony bead makes it adjustable, and it just slides up and down, and if you tie off the ends and make a knot, the bead won't fall off or anything like that. So it makes it really nice, and it's very comfortable, and the t-shirt material is very soft, easy to find, and pony beads, again, Dollar Tree, they have a little pack of those. So what I did was I took a t-shirt that I cut up and just cut off a little strip, probably about 1/4 inch in width, and the nice thing about t-shirt material is it will not unravel on you. And so you just take this and let's see if I can get another hand in there, and if you pull it, it just kind of makes it into a little strap kind of thing. And I just put the pony bead on one end, and I used this to kind of push it through, and put the pony bead on, and then put the other end through, and that was it. That's what I came up with. So I hope that gives you an idea of an alternative to elastic, which still having a really hard time finding, and I found this to be more comfortable and a better fit. So hope that helps with your mask making. Thanks.